I'm not preaching for your emotions today. I know the rules. You understand? Nebuchadnezzar is a picture of modern mankind. He symbolizes humanity today. Humanity is saying, I have power. I have money. I have charisma. I have all the right connections. I've got all the material blessings I could ever need, but I have no peace. I've got money, but I got some questions and I can't find no answers. And all you church folk who claim to speak for God, all you Bible teachers and apostles and bishops and prophets and missionaries and evangelists, you have no right to exist if you can't give me what the pain, the solution for my pain is. All you do is go to church, sit up there with your titles and your positions, but you don't have a word from the Lord.